how to use Google Docs in your Windows laptop. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can use Google Docs in your Windows computer. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice. So here I have opened up my Google Chrome, and then simply go to the search bar and search for Google Docs. And then once you are done with this, simply hit the enter button. Also, if you are using Chrome, there is a high chance that you can find it here in this screen without searching anything. What you can do is simply click onto this Google Apps option, and then from here you can simply find in Google Docs, and here you can see Google Docs, so simply click here. But in case you are using any other browser, you can simply search for and click onto this link that says Google Docs sign in. So simply click onto this link, and you might need to sign in, or if you are already signed in into a Google account, you can see that it has automatically led me to a new sheet, and you can start typing in your document. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.